And a great technique for drawing birds, using eggs. Here's one for you. Where do birds come from? No, it's not a trick question. Where do birds come from? Eggs. And I'll prove it. Here's an egg. And just add a head. And a tail. And some legs with claws on. And a folded wing. A bill or a beak. An eye. And there's your bird. And that's a great tip to remember for drawing birds. Birds come from eggs. All birds. Any type of bird. So, OK, here's the egg. And this time, we're going to have a big bird of prey. So you've got a big long neck, like that. And they always have shaggy, feathery heads and necks, don't they? Big birds of prey. And don't forget, shaggy, feathery tail with a folded wing. And when I think of birds of prey, I always think of hooked bills for tearing meat. Look at that. The eye in there, an angry eye. And don't forget, nice big, shaggy, feathery legs. There you go. And those talons, lethal. Look at that. Again, all from an egg. In fact, if you put an egg on water, you get a duck. An egg with a long neck and legs is a wading bird. Even funny-looking birds like ostriches come from eggs. They're all shapes and sizes, but just remember they all come from eggs. Just add the other bits. Hey, and don't forget to open the wings when the bird is flying. So there's the egg for the body, add the head, the tail, and this time the legs will be tucked under. And for the wings, start at the top of the body, curve it over, and make the feathers shorter as they get nearer the body. And the other wing is just tucked behind like that. And on a duck, egg for the body, short stubby tail, legs tucked under, long neck. And again, with the wings, start at the top of the body, fold them over, and the feathers get shorter as they get nearer the body. And tuck the other one behind. And when you get the hang of it, you can put your birds into all sorts of shapes and positions. Just start with the egg shape and add all the other bits. Try it yourself, sketch some birds, and remember, birds come from eggs.